Angela, and today I'm at the rocky seashore with my friend Teeny.
Thanks, Dahi. Yes, my name is Martina Butler and I'm an expert with the Heritage in Schools scheme. And if you decide to go and visit the rocky seashore, do make sure that you have an adult with you to keep you safe. Now, come on, Dahi, let's go and visit nature in the rock pools.
Teeny, what are those little brown fellas in the rock pool?
This fellow here, well, he is called a periwinkle. I'll give you a closer look. He is actually a snail of the sea.
Ew! What does he eat, Teeny?
Well, he will actually eat some of the plants in the sea called seaweeds. Here they are.
Ooh! 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 Teeny, is that a seaweed too?
Well, that little red fella there is actually not a plant at all. He's an animal called a sea anemone.
Oh, he's cool. He's got a shaggy head like me.
He does, Dahi.
Ooh, Teeny, look and see what I found in the rock pool. It's a crab.
How do you know it's a crab, Dahi?
'Cause he's got 10 legs and 2 of them are claws. Oh, but Teeny, we need to get him back to his rock pool home so that he'll be safe and happy again.
Oh, Dahi, you know, you really are so kind to nature.
Thank you.